Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning about Solidago ulmifolia mulex wild, otherwise known as the Elmleaf Goldenrod. Now, the Elmleaf Goldenrod is a herbaceous perennial plant that grows to be about 0.3 to 1.5 meters tall. Now, all goldenrods have sap that contains rubber, but the Elmleaf Goldenrod sap contains about 1 to 2% rubber. Additionally, goldenrods like this one are commonly mistaken for ragweeds, which are a common allergen. And they're a common allergen because ragweeds have wind-dispersed pollen, whereas goldenrods have a sticky insect-dispersed pollen. Now, if we take a look at the distribution map, we'll see that Elmleaf goldenrod is native to the central and eastern United States, although it is rare in a few of the eastern states. Now, if you're looking to add Elmleaf goldenrod to your landscape, then hardiness zones 3 through 8 are ideal for growing it. Now, Elmleaf goldenrods can be found in a variety of dry open habitats, such as prairies, roadsides, and forest openings. If we now take a look at the stem of an Elmleaf goldenrod, we'll see that it is alternate and the stem is slightly glabrous. However, the flowering branches, which are what we have pictured here, are slightly pubescent. Also, you may notice that the leaves are sessile, so they lack a petiole and attach directly to the stem. Now, speaking of leaves, if we turn our attention to them, we will see that they are simple, elliptical, and they are coarsely toothed. Additionally, the lower leaves on the stem will fall off, but the upper leaves will persist. Alright, now the flowers of an Elmleaf goldenrod bloom from July to October. And when they do, they form somewhat of a pyramidal inflorescence with long, arching, widely spaced branches and many perfect yellow flowers. Each flower will have 3 to 5 ray flowers with many disc flowers. Those disc flowers, which are inside of the ray flowers, will each have 5 petals, 5 stamen, and 1 pistil. Additionally, if you look at the underside of the flowers, you can see there are green bracts. Also, you can see that all of the flower heads are facing the same side of the branch. These flowers are pollinated by bees, wasps, and flies. After pollination takes place, a dry achene with short hairs called pappus will develop. The seeds are then able to be dispersed by the wind. However, this species can also reproduce readily by spreading through underground rhizomes. Alrighty, thank you all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed learning about the Elmleaf goldenrod, otherwise known as Solidago ulmifolia with me. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in my next video.